Ever pondered upon the question of how it all began? The universe, the stars, the galaxies, everything that we know and see today? Well, the answer to this mind-boggling question lies in the Big Bang theory. Imagine a time, around 13.8 billion years ago, when everything that exists was condensed into a single point. A point so incredibly dense and hot that it contained the entirety of what would eventually become our universe. This, my friends, was the singularity, an entity so strange and unique that it defies our current understanding of physics. Suddenly, in less time than it takes for a light bulb to flicker, this singularity began to expand, and thus, the Big Bang occurred. No, it was not an explosion as the name might suggest, but an expansion, a rapid stretching out of the universe from that initial hot, dense state. In the first moments after the Big Bang, the universe was extremely hot and dense. As it expanded, it cooled and structures began to form. Quarks and leptons, the smallest particles we know of, started to appear. These particles then combined to form protons and neutrons and later, atoms. As the universe continued to cool and expand, these atoms started to clump together under the influence of gravity to form stars and galaxies. And so, the universe as we know it began to take shape. So, let's summarize the main points of the Big Bang theory. It suggests that the universe originated from a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. This singularity then expanded, and as it did, the universe began to cool, and structures began to form. The universe continues to expand even today, a fact that we have observed through the redshift of distant galaxies. The Big Bang theory, however, is not without its problems. It doesn't explain what caused the singularity to expand, or what was before the singularity. These are questions that remain unanswered, and continue to baffle scientists. But despite these unknowns, the Big Bang theory remains the most widely accepted explanation for the origin and evolution of the universe. It has stood the test of time and numerous observations, providing us with a fascinating insight into the birth of our universe. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars and galaxies, you're peering back into the history of the universe, back to a time when everything we know was just a singular point, waiting to expand and create everything that exists today. It's a humbling thought, isn't it?